With the Summer 13 release, Chatter makes the feed more relevant and actionable than ever. Many new features will help you supercharge productivity, find the information you need, and connect with customers, partners, and employees in an entirely new way from any device. With over 200,000 active networks, Salesforce Chatter makes business processes social in a real-time, private, and completely secure way. Today, we want to highlight the most exciting features of a very full summer release. With Chatter's new multi-dimensional publisher, the feed becomes your hub for productivity. Now, you can create business objects such as leads, opportunities, support cases, and tasks right in the feed. You can even create custom objects that instantly trigger actions that are most important to your daily routine. With so much valuable information in the feed, we want to ensure that you can quickly and easily find all of the most relevant information on any topic. So we bring you Chatter Topics and Expertise. Anytime you share a post, Chatter instantly categorizes it based on its content and existing posts within the organization. Topics are added to a searchable index. Each topic page collects relevant information from across your organization, gathering related files, identifying specific groups, highlighting conversations with experts, and then enabling you to add important topics to your favorites. Now you can access, organize, and contribute information in ways never before possible, and all without lifting a finger. Now, intelligent collaboration isn't limited to your employees, and that's because Salesforce Communities, generally available in June, extends the power of Chatter beyond the walls of the enterprise. Now, you can connect with your customers and partners in private, branded, online communities. Salesforce Communities transform sales relationships with partners, service relationships with customers, and even the way employees work together in private communities within your company. Not only that, because Communities is a part of the Salesforce platform, you can customize your communities and integrate business process with collaboration in revolutionary new ways. For the first time ever, Salesforce Records are available on your iPhone and Android mobile devices. Now you will be able to access and act on critical customer information within Salesforce. Accounts, opportunities, or any of your customer records can be read or created in the Chatter feed from any device. As you see instant updates for customer records, you can take action directly from the feed. For example, a sales rep in a taxi can see a deal update in the feed and send the necessary files to close the deal, making every moment actionable. These are just a few of the features you can look forward to with Summer 13. In addition, our customers will be able to take advantage of enhancements to our APIs. The Chatter REST API functionality is now available in Apex. We are also delivering broader feature coverage in the Chatter REST API. To learn more about all of our features, click on the Summer 13 Release Preview tab in Facebook. Thank you.